Starting around 24 walk 2024 Nexo sort of is exchanging at $1.35 in term of its iced rate with the value change of 0.3% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo generally has an exceptionally complete market cap of $753 at 72 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5.9 to 32,553 in an unobtrusive manner. This by and large makes Nexo genuinely positioning at 118 in the digital currency market, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and, considering what most certainly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo essentially be really worth in 2024 as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Nexo a very wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, or so are they in a real sense thought? Will Nexo value sort of outperform its untouched high, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? These fundamentally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, or so they generally thought. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost essentially is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.77, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be 1.72, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Besides, Nexo can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest value level of $2.4 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Nexo truly is estimated to for the most part be at around a truly least worth of $0.24. Showing how Nexo value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Nexo explicitly is determined to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.24 in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo value worth can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters, limit of $1.40 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $1.36 in AST, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation April 2024. Nexo cost by and large is supposed to truly reach between $1.36 to $1.45 in April 2024, while the by and large normal cost of Nexo for the April sort of stays around $1.41 Nexo value figure May 2024. The Nexo estimate for May 2024 expects that the Nexo may in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.52 with a sort of least cost of around $1.37 in a very significant manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Nexo can by and large stretch around $1.44 for May, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation June 2024. Nexo cost generally is supposed to truly reach between $1.42 to $1.59 in June 2024, while the really normal cost of Nexo for the June basically remains around $1.48 Nexo value forecast July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo cost explicitly is conjectured to generally arrive at an in a real sense the most minimal cost of $1.45, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could really arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $1.67 with a typical expected cost around $1.51 in an exceptionally large manner. Nexo value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the really most extreme cost for Nexo could fundamentally stretch around $1.74, which essentially is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in August 2024 in every practical sense is $1.49 with a truly normal cost of $1.54, showing how, moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in August 2024 in every way that really matters is $1.49 with a fundamentally normal cost of $1.54. Nexo value expectation September 2024. The cost for Nexo in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.54 and $1.82 in a very huge manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $1.60 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Nexo cost basically is conjectured to sort of arrive at an essentially the least cost of $1.60, or so they in a real sense thought. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $1.88 with a typical expected cost around $1.67 in a quite enormous manner. Nexo value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the most extreme cost for Nexo could essentially stretch around $1.97 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2024 essentially is $1.65 with an extremely normal cost of $1.72, demonstrating the way that the Nexo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $1.40 with a very normal exchanging worth of $1.36 in a quite enormous way. Nexo value conjecture December 2024 the by and large normal cost of Nexo could truly go to $0.77 toward the finish of December 2024, so the Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.67 with a typical expected cost around $1.51, or so they thought. Nexo could explicitly be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $2.04 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.72, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost sort of has shown a very decent increment of 174% in the especially most recent 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo fundamentally is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in a sort of significant manner. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 217% in the very most recent 7 days in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for genuinely past, especially couple of days. The coin could really have serious areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, which by and large shows that Nexo value expectation June 2024. Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to reach between $1.42 to $1.59 in June 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Nexo for the June generally remains around $1.48. Nexo value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo cost generally is conjecture to in every practical sense arrive at an essentially the least cost of $1.45 in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value estimate 2024 facts. What will in a real sense be Nexo exceptionally worth in 2024, which basically is very critical. The Nexo cost basically is estimated to explicitly arrive at a really most extreme degree of $2.04 with least cost of $0.72 toward the finish of 2024, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Nexo basically have a future, which explicitly is genuinely critical? As far as value, Nexo generally has a remarkable certainly potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing the way that Nexo could really be exchanging around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $2.04 with a sort of least expected cost of $0.72, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It for the most part is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they generally thought. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can generally stir things up around town. The most exorbitant